Hello, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make roasted fish with lentils. Here we go. Okay, for this dish we're gonna need tilapia fish fillet, curry powder, ground cumin, 1 red onion, 1 red chili, lentils, cherry plum tomatoes, 1 lemon, coriander, natural yogurt. First off, we're going to slice the onion. Then we're going to zest the lemon. Now we're going to get this lemon and cut in 4 pieces, okay, 4 wedges. Now we're going to trim the red chili, also going to cut in the middle, and we're going to remove all the seeds. Then after that we're going to finely chop the red chili. We're also going to roughly chop the coriander. Now it's time to season the fish. You're going to get a baking tray and you're going to line it with foil. And we're going to drizzle it with olive oil. Now we're going to pop the tilapia on top of the tray. And we're going to add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then we're going to sprinkle half of the cumin on top of the fish. And we're going to sprinkle some of the curry on top of the fish as well. Use your hands to coat the fish in the spices. We're going to roast the fish on the top shelf of your oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to heat a drizzle of olive oil and we're going to add the onions. We're going to break the onions up with a wooden spoon and we're going to cook it between 3 to 4 minutes until the onions are soft. When the onion is soft, we're going to add the curry. We're also going to add the cumin and the lemon zest. Not everything, just about half of it. We're also going to add half of the chili. Now we stir everything and we cook for 1 minute. Now we're going to squeeze one of the lemon wedges. And then another one. We're also going to add the cherry tomatoes. We're going to stir everything for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the lentils. We're also going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. everything is cooked, we're going to add half of the coriander. And we're going to mix one more time. The dish is pretty much ready to go. Now we're going to mix the yogurt with the remaining lemon zest. We're also going to add the remaining chili. And we're going to mix it. The dish is ready. It's time to put it on the plate. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please click like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.